How to create a low-cost indoor TV. Hi, I'm Ellen Santos, support specialist at GMV Technology, and today I will show you that it is possible to create an indoor TV for your business cheaply and efficiently. The first thing you will need to make an indoor TV is a smart TV. For the beginning of your project, you won't need a particularly robust TV. What you need is for this smart TV to have internet access and be able to access addresses via a browser. The price of the smart TV will depend on the brand, the screen size, the image quality, and the features that this smart TV has. So, do some research on the options that offer the best value for money and suit your requirements. For this low-cost project, the only physical equipment you will need is the smart TV. For the video system, you can use an online stream. For this, you need to have a reliable internet connection. Aside from the low cost, an online streaming system has multiple other benefits, such as real-time playback with updated content, being able to display the same or different programs on as many screens as you want, the opportunity to change the programming remotely without needing to physically intervene with the equipment or take the programming off the air, and the ability to schedule content, being able to show whatever you want at strategic times. I invite you to learn about JMV Technology's streaming services, either by watching the QR code or clicking the link in the description. In addition to these benefits, we also have free content updated daily to enhance your indoor TV programming. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, and follow us on our social channels for more content like this.